What if there was a simple app that could help manage crypto safely? From sending coins to storing digital art and exploring blockchain apps. In this video, let's follow a relatable journey to explore Trust Wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet many people use worldwide. Priya, like many newcomers, hears about different ways to keep cryptocurrencies. She tries reading about wallets, keys, and exchanges, but it sounds complicated. Wanting a straightforward solution for her Bitcoin and Ethereum, Priya finds Trust Wallet, available to download for both Android and iPhone. No personal details are needed, just a device and a willingness to try something new. The setup generates a 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is critical. Only Priya knows it, and it's the only way to access her funds if her phone is lost. Trust Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning it never stores user or private key data on its own servers. All control over assets stays with the individual user. Once inside, Priya explores the app's ability to store and transfer not just Bitcoin, but also Ethereum, Solana, Binance Coin, and many other tokens and blockchain assets. The app shows balances, lets her receive and send coins, and can connect with cryptocurrency exchanges when she wants to trade or cash out by moving her funds. Trust Wallet includes direct access to decentralized apps and decentralized finance features. This means Priya can use blockchain-based games, NFT marketplaces, and even stake certain coins to earn passive rewards, all without leaving the wallet app. However, for any buying, selling, or earning activity, she pays blockchain transaction fees. And when converting crypto to cash, she typically moves funds to an exchange. The wallet's interface encourages best practices, such as writing down and safely storing the recovery phrase offline. Features like PIN codes, biometrics, and private key encryption are included for extra protection. There's also a built-in security scanner to help identify risky transactions or addresses. Over time, Priya finds that Trust Wallet remains useful for holding a variety of cryptocurrencies in one place, accessing new blockchain applications, and securely managing her digital assets. Still, she keeps in mind the responsibility that comes with a non-custodial wallet. The safety of her funds relies entirely on how well she manages her recovery phrase and device security. Trust Wallet supports multiple blockchains, which means Priya can switch between networks like Ethereum, BNB Chain, Solana, Polygon, and many more. This helps her manage NFTs, tokens, and dApps across different ecosystems without installing separate apps. Priya also discovers the built-in swap and DEX tools, which let her trade one token for another directly in the app. She enjoys the convenience, but notices the conversion rates and network fees can vary, so she double-checks before making big swaps. For those exploring the world of crypto, Trust Wallet is one option for storing and interacting with digital assets across multiple blockchains. As with any wallet, understanding recovery phrases, security, and wallet features is key to navigating digital finance safely. We have come to the end of this video, so share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Your click really means a lot to us. Then see you in the next one. I'm Swagata and you're watching Market Alert News.